How does commercial space law protect ideas in space? Have you ever wondered how ideas and inventions are safeguarded in the vastness of outer space? This question is more complex than it seems. Commercial space law plays a vital role in protecting intellectual property rights for innovations developed in space. However, the legal landscape is quite challenging. The Outer Space Treaty is a key international agreement that states no nation can claim ownership over outer space or celestial bodies. This principle creates a unique situation for intellectual property rights. Traditional protections, like patents and copyrights, are based on national laws. When it comes to space, these laws do not easily apply. For instance, if a company creates a new technology for a spacecraft, it can seek protection under its home country's patent system. This protection is valid while the company operates on Earth and during its space activities. However, once that technology is in space, enforcing those rights becomes uncertain. There is no single authority to turn to for legal recourse. To address these challenges, some space agencies and policymakers have developed flexible intellectual property policies. These policies aim to encourage innovation while respecting the principle of free access to space. They often promote collaboration between public and private sectors, which can lead to new technological advancements. For astronauts and space missions, protecting intellectual property is essential. Space missions often involve cutting-edge technology and processes created by private companies. When these innovations are legally protected, it encourages further investment and development. This means astronauts have access to the best equipment and procedures, enhancing their training and operations in space. In practical terms, commercial space law helps companies maintain a competitive edge and secure funding for research and development. It also supports the creation of new products and services that relying on protected intellectual property. For example, satellite communications and remote sensing technologies thrive commercially because of these protections. In summary, commercial space law seeks to protect ideas in space by applying national intellectual property laws to activities conducted by entities under those nations' jurisdictions. While enforcement in space remains complex, these legal frameworks are crucial for advancing technology that benefits astronauts and space missions.